Yes, welcome back to Hyperdrive, your ultimate source for bold, futuristic, and electrifying automotive reviews. Today, we're diving into the world of power, technology, and pure dominance with the all-new Hummer Dominion EV 2026. Yes, Hummer is back, and they're making waves with their most aggressive and advanced electric vehicle yet. The Dominion EV is not just a machine, it's a statement, a symbol of power, luxury, and electric innovation designed to command any road, any terrain, anytime. Take a look at this beast. The design is bold, unmistakably Hummer, with its wide, muscular body, angular LED lighting, and signature illuminated front grille. The Dominion EV looks like it's ready for a mission straight out of the future. Massive off-road tires, high ground clearance, and reinforced body panels ensure it's not just for show. This vehicle is built to conquer. Step inside, and you're greeted with pure high-tech luxury. The cabin features premium materials, spacious seating for 5 team, and a driver-focused cockpit packed with the latest technology. At the center, you've got a stunning 17-inch touchscreen with Hummer's off-road intelligence system. Everything you need is at your fingertips, from navigation to entertainment to vehicle performance settings. Yes, the Dominion EV also brings open-air freedom with its signature removable roof panels. Whether you're cruising the city or taking on extreme terrain, you can enjoy that fresh air anytime, anywhere. Let's talk power. This is where the Hummer Dominion EV truly earns its name. Equipped with a tri-motor setup, this electric beast delivers an unbelievable 1,100 horsepower and instant torque. You heard that right, over 1,100 horsepower in a full-size electric SUV. 0 to 60 happens in just 3.5 seconds, giving you supercar-level performance with the capability of a Hummer. The Dominion EV rides on GM's Ultium battery platform, offering an impressive range of up to 550 kilometers on a single charge. And with fast-charging technology, you can add 160 kilometers of range in just 12 minutes. Whether it's city streets, off-road adventures, or cross-country journeys, the Dominion EV keeps you moving. Off-road performance. Absolutely. You've got adjustable air suspension, crab walk mode for diagonal movement, and advanced terrain management systems. Sand, rocks, mud, snow. Nothing stands in your way. Hummer also prioritized safety with autonomous driving features, collision avoidance systems, 360-degree cameras, and driver assist technology, ensuring every journey is as safe as it is thrilling. The Hummer Dominion EV 2026 represents the future of electric power and rugged capability. If you're looking for a bold, unstoppable, all-electric SUV that dominates the road, this is it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Hyperdrive for more bold reviews and futuristic machines.